Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to cancel your trial account or upgrade to a premium account on Tradingview. The free trial gives us temporary access to advanced features, allowing us to explore tools before deciding on a subscription. During the trial period, we can use premium features such as additional indicators, more alerts, and multi-purpose layouts. We will guide you through each step, so even if you are new, you can follow along easily. Let's begin first. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com. When you reach the page, look at the top right corner. You will see the Tradingview logo or your profile icon. Click on it and go to Settings and Billings. This will take you to the subscription page. Now click on it. You will see Profile Preferences and Account Settings. Go to Billing Subscriptions. You just have to click the subscriptions. Now you will see two options, upgrade or cancel. If you have a basic plan like we do, the option will not be there. If you have a trial version or a premium account, the cancel option will show up here. Canceling the free trial account will stop automatic billing, but you will still have access to paid features until the trial period ends. Always check the trial end date in your billing settings to make sure the cancellation is done on time. If you want to upgrade, just click on the upgrade option. Upgrading to a premium account gives us more tools for analysis and customization. It is helpful for traders who want advanced indicators, more alerts, and better chart management. The premium plan on Tradingview is made for advanced traders who need greater charting capacity, higher alert limits, and more flexibility for analysis. These features help us improve our analysis, save time, and support better trading decisions. This is how we can cancel a Tradingview trial. Make sure it is canceled before the trial ends to avoid any charges.